to our tutorial on Launchpad. This tutorial will demonstrate several features within Launchpad to help you facilitate your work from at home or even at a computer within the Webster Central School District. The 4 objectives that we will cover today through this tutorial is how to create a new document or create a new folder within the Launchpad system, how to download files locally, which means you're going to work directly on the file within the Launchpad system, how to download files directly onto your computer from Launchpad if you're at home working or if you're on a school computer, and the 4th thing that we're going to demonstrate today is how to upload the files back to within the Launchpad system. From the main screen of Launchpad, once you use your login credentials, we're going to click on My Files. For our purposes, we will be working in our H drive. When we open up our H drive, we are prompted with several new features up in the top right-hand corner, and which I'm highlighting right now. Our first thing that we're going to demonstrate is some of the new features within Launchpad from the new button. Going to click on it, and it's going to give us several options. One of the options that is new is to be able to create a new folder within your H drive. You can also do this within your S drive if you choose to do so. You can create a new document. That would be a Microsoft Word document. You can create a spreadsheet, a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, or you can create a new PowerPoint or new presentation. For our purposes today, we're just going to create a new document to demonstrate this tool. Once I click on New Document, we're going to call it a name, and we're going to click on Save and Open Locally, which all that refers to is that we'll be working on this directly within the Launchpad server program. Once our Microsoft window opens up, I'm just going to type a brief note. You will notice that we still have the same Microsoft features as we have in previous versions. In order to save this, I'm going to click on the Microsoft Office button in the upper left hand corner, and I'm going to click on the Save As button. I'm going to choose my Word document preference, and you'll notice that it's going to bring me up with a very similar format to how we've saved in the past. Through Launchpad, we're going to click on our actual H drive, and I'm going to save this as the Launch Sunday Demo. Once I'm ready with that, I'm going to hit Save, and now I'm going to return into the Launchpad program, and in order to view this file, I'm going to click on the refresh button, which is located right in that top toolbar as well. I'm going to click refresh. It'll go through the loading cycle, and then I'm going to go down and look for it, and here we go with our Launch Sunday Demo. So now another feature that we have is we have the ability to open the document locally. All that means is like similar to what we did before with creating a new one locally, all we're going to do same as before is I'm going to open that same document, and we're going to be able to open it. We'll be given 4 choices: open in Zoho, which I do not recommend using. You can open it locally, or you can download it. For this purpose, we're going to click on Open It Locally. Open It Locally just means we're going to run it through the server. One of the features that we're going to show you today is how to do an Open Locally search. When I click on this document, I'm going to use Brian Zimmer letterhead. It's going to give me 4 options: open in Zoho, open locally, which means we're going to open it and work on it directly within the Launchpad program, or download it. For this one, I'm going to click on open locally, and it automatically is going to bring me up into my letterhead that I've saved. And what I will be able to do at this point is be able to type into it. I'll be able to now load the document back in and save it directly how. The final piece that we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to download this document directly onto your computer if you choose to do so. So for this purpose, we're going to click on the Access Reports in NWA, and this one's going to give us 2 options: open locally or download. For this part of our tutorial, I'm going to click on download. You'll notice that the drop down menu in the downloads bar at the bottom is open, and I'm going to click on this. Now this directly is going to be open on my computer. One of the other features about this program, besides just clicking on it and being able to access it in a certain way as well, whether you're open it locally or you're downloading it, if you right click on the document, it's going to give you several options. You can add it to your desktop if you choose to do so. You can have the new option similar to what we had up in the top right hand corner. You can make a copy of the document if you choose to. You can download it directly to your computer. You can move it to a different folder. You can rename it. You can delete it if you choose to do so. The final feature that we will demonstrate in this tutorial is the upload button. When I click on the upload button, it's going to give me several places where I can go and search for documents in order to bring any file back into the Launchpad program. You'll notice that I have Google Drive and Dropbox attached to it. If you choose to do this, we can demonstrate how to do that for you, so you have that ability today as well. What I'm going to do, and I would like to download something directly from my computer, is I'm going to click on the local files box. It will then bring me to this window, so I'm going to click on the drop files here box or click to browse, and I'm just going to search for something off my desktop today. And for our purposes, I'm just going to click on the 2014-15 testing schedule. I'm going to click on it. The file is going to be downloaded, and then you'll notice we'll go and search for it. The document has been placed right here. So the upload feature is nice in order to bring documents back and forth, so you don't have to worry about having a thumb drive per se or sending yourself an email. We hope that you found this Launchpad tutorial informational. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Brian Zimmer at Brian_Zimmer at websterschools.org. Thank you for watching and have a great day.